Guys, panoorin natin tong pinakabagong cover song ng banda Mission Souls. Yung kanta ng Carpenters na Top of the World. Grabe, intro pa lang plakado na, no?
Such a feeling's coming over me. There is wonder in most everything I see. Not a cloud in the sky.
Ganda ng boses ni Stacy. Bagay na bagay sa kanya tong kanta ng Carpenters.
I got the sun in my eyes, and I won't be surprised if it's a dream. Everything I want the world.
Ganda naman nun, nung tunog ng gitara ni Nisha, no? Yung kanyang guitar picks.
To be is now coming true, especially for me. And the reason is clear, it's because
Swabe rin ang tunog ng keyboard ni Naces dito. Tsaka pansin ko, Fender Strat na naman yung gamit ni Nisha, no? Isang beses niya palang nagamit yung kanyang Les Paul.
you are here, you're the nearest thing to heaven that I've seen. I'm on the top of the world, looking down on creation, and the only
Panalo sa blending. Grabe. Malupit din talaga ang banda Mission Souls pagdating sa blending.
explanation I can't find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me
Parang medyo pahinga sila sa rock ngayon, ano? Classic tong kanilang tinutugtog.
at the top of the world. Something in the wind has learned my name.
Gusto ko yun, yung tunog ng gitara ni Nisha na yun. Napaka, no? Ang lamig pakinggan.
And it's telling me that things are not the same. In the leaves on the trees and the touch of the breeze, there's a
Ang ganda rin ng bassline ni Daddy Second dito. Yung palo ng drums ni Ice, smooth.
pleasing sense of happiness for me. There is only one wish on my mind. Then this day's through, I hope that I will
May edit din dito si Naces sa keyboard.
find that tomorrow will be just the same for you and me. All I need will be mine.
Samahan pa ng magandang boses ni Mami Sheena, no? Grabe. Kompleto Ricardos.
You are here. I'm on the top of the world, looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been
Ang lupit talaga ng harmony nila, no?
around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. I'm on the top of the world, looking down on creation.
Wala masyadong rolling si Ice dito sa kanta na to. Napaka-banayad lang ng palo.
And the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top.
Galing din mag-plucking ni Stacy, habang kumakanta. Napaka-talented din. Lahat sila guys, napaka-talented.
Of the world.
Suwabe nung patapos. Grabe. Ano masabi nyo guys sa cover song na to ng banda Mission Souls? I-comment nyo lang inyong mga reaksyon sa ating comment section.